Hello, we are the Full Spectrum Learning team, and today we are going to talk about full spectrum learning, what it is and why it is important to our campus community. So hi, I'm Lexie Ford. I'm a second-year student, an elementary education major, and in full spectrum learning, I mostly work on PR and I run the social media sites and work on videos for the website. So what is full spectrum learning? Full spectrum learning is St. Norbert College's attempt to embrace and encourage diverse learning and teaching practices that elevate student learning. Given the rapid societal and workforce changes regarding technology and communication, full spectrum learning's mission is to encourage faculty and students to explore a variety of teaching and learning modalities. So full spectrum learning explores the intersection of technology and student engagement in the classroom. So on one axis, we have student engagement. So on one end, it's purely lecture-based, all the way to the right side of the spectrum, which is open learning, where faculty and students are actively working together. On the technology spectrum, at the top, we have non-digital course design, so there's no technology integrated into the classroom, all the way down to a fully digital course. So as you can see, it is a spectrum, and we hope students can experience a variety of these intersections at St. Norbert to enhance their learning experience.
Hi, my name's Cassie Newton. I'm a sophomore as well. I'm a computer science and math double major. And my main project with Full Spectrum Learning has been designing and developing the website. And I help manage the content and different projects that go on the website. The website is the major information hub of Full Spectrum Learning. It has all of our projects in one place, and it helps to show you what we're working on and what it's all about. So if you scroll down the homepage, you can see a short video explaining what it is and a short description, and you can also read a more in-depth description of what Full Spectrum Learning is. It features the grid, and then it calls out the interactive grid, which I'll show you in a little bit, and different opportunities that Full Spectrum Learning offers. The easiest way for those who teach to participate in Full Spectrum Learning is to fill out our Google form. So the form has professors self-report on the grid where they believe their course should be placed, and then it all appears on this grid. So right now we have 54 people who have 54 courses on our grid. And you can see here that student and faculty interaction and technology enhanced course design has the largest concentration of professors. And from this grid, at the end, we ask if they would like to participate in a short video about their class, and it goes on the interactive grid. So the interactive grid is those teaser videos of each class, and it just gives hands-on examples from professors of what they're doing in their courses, and also provides a student reflection on that course as well. And the eventual goal will be to completely fill up this grid and show the wide variety of courses offered at St. Norbert.
Hi everyone, my name is Ruthie Tucker. I'm a sophomore. I'm majoring in elementary education and I'm double minoring in early childhood education and art. And I'm in my second year of working with Full Spectrum Learning. Last year, I spent a majority of my time working on the teaser videos that Cassie just showed. And now this year, I'm more focusing on creating a research article and letting people know what Full Spectrum Learning is around St. Norbert College's campus. So I'm going to tell you why Full Spectrum Learning is important. So FSL really fits into the mission of SNC, and the main mission at SNC is Communio, where we are together in community. And like the grid, the interactive grid that Cassie just showed you, we really offer a peer-to-peer teaching. So faculty can come to our website and look at the interactive grid and see these teaser videos, these 2-minute long videos, and learn how the faculty is creating a rich and impactful learning experience for students and take something away from that and take it into their own classroom. So that's why FSL is or really fits into the mission of FNC and Communio. FSL, or full spectrum learning, is really student centered because we really focus on what is impactful for students. So professors explain their team the way they are and how it impacts students, but also in our videos we share what the students think about what the faculty or professor is doing in their classroom and how it impacts their learning. And also, one of our goals for full spectrum learning is to have students know which type of teaching or which, because it's a spectrum of learning, what learning is best for them. So in doing so, we will cultivate a love of lifelong learning, which we feel is a really important aspect for FNC.
Hi, I'm Soph Sorensen. I'm a first-year student, elementary education major I'm getting a Spanish certificate and social studies minor. I help with graphic design projects and bring insight on screen printing for future projects we want to do, like making t-shirts and bags. So I'm going to talk about the impacts on students and the professors. Professors are able to enhance their teaching through the usage of full spectrum learning. What's so important about it is they're getting the opportunity to try out different styles of teaching and gear towards all kinds of different students. Students experience a broad range of approaches throughout their learning exploration, and maybe one style of learning doesn't work perfectly for them, but with full spectrum, they're getting a chance to try other ways of learning, and the professors have this opportunity to branch out from traditional modes of instruction to incorporate active learning practices into their everyday classes.
And hello, my name is Brittany Reckheimer. I am a first-year student, elementary ed major, and my role on the team is to communicate with professors and interview them for the teaser videos. So what are we currently doing? Well, first off, we are filming. So of the professors who agree that they would be interested in creating a teaser video for their course, I email them to set up a time to interview about what student engagement and technology integration looks like in their classrooms. And then Cassie and Lexie put those videos together to then post on our website. As Ruthie mentioned, she is creating a research article about how full spectrum learning came to be. Lexie is working with our social media. Cassie has developed and continues to work on our website, and Soph is in charge of creating appealing apparel and fun bags. So how can you get involved? As we've mentioned several times already, you can go onto our website and fill out our form and place your courses on our grid. And then on that form, you can agree to film, and then we will create a video and put that on our interactive grid. Additionally, you can inform your students of our work on campus and to check out our website and follow us on social media. So here we have a few charts for you guys to look at. This one is the divisions represented out of the 54 forms that have been filled out for courses. So out of all the divisions at St. Norbert College, the natural sciences have filled out the most forms currently. The second chart shows what, out of the forms that have been filled out, what classroom engagement looks like at St. Norbert. Out of the courses so far, student-faculty engagement is the type of engagement most incorporated at St. Norbert College, and this is the middle column on our chart or our grid. And this is where the faculty will lead the course, but there is a significant amount of student interaction through dialogue and activities. And this last chart we have shows technology usage here on campus, and technology enhanced course design is a type of technology integration most represented at St. Norbert College through the forms that have been filled out currently. And this is the second row on our grid, which is where there is face-to-face instruction, but also some tools and activities through a digital format.
Thank you for listening to our short presentation about what full spectrum learning is. We'd love to answer any questions that you may have at this time.